What's going on, everybody? This is Dave from Steel City Drones. I wanted to let everyone know that we are having a booth at the Exponential event in California between April 22nd to the 25th. This is pretty much the largest drone show of the entire year, and we are having a booth there. If anybody is interested in free tickets and entry passes, please let us know. We have an unlimited amount of complimentary passes we can give out. And anybody who shows up at the event, you can enter a chance to be able to win our giveaway, which is one of our custom-made 13-inch high-bright display monitor stations. So lots of going on at Exponential this year. We're going to be having live feeds while we're there. We're going to be doing interviews with other people as well there. So lots of content going to be coming soon. But if you are planning on going to the show this year, please stop by at our booth and say hi, and also enter for a chance to be able to win our 13-inch display. So hope to be able to see you there. If you have any questions, please let us know. Give us a call. Thanks again for watching.